Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our awesome content. Today we're diving into the world of animated videos with a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Powtoon, an amazing tool that might just give Doodly a run for its money. First things first, let's talk about what Powtoon is. Powtoon is a web based platform that allows you to create animated presentations and videos without the need for any advanced design or editing skills. Whether you're making a video for your business, school, or just for fun, Powtoon has got you covered. So, why might Powtoon be a better option than Doodly for some users? Well, it's all about the type of video you're looking to create. While Doodly is fantastic for whiteboard animations, Powtoon offers a wider range of animation styles, including cartoon characters, infographics, and even live action videos. Plus, its user friendly interface makes it accessible for beginners. Let's jump in and create our first video. Step 1. Sign up for a free account on Powtoon's website. You can upgrade to a premium account later if you need access to more features. Step 2. After logging in, click on Create to start a new project. You'll be prompted to choose between starting from scratch or using a template. For beginners, I recommend starting with a template as it gives you a solid foundation to work from. Powtoon has a wide variety of templates across different categories. Choose one that fits the theme of your video. Step 3 is to customize your template. Here's where the fun begins. You can change text, add new scenes, insert images, and even upload your voiceover. If you want to add characters or props, just head over to the library on the left hand side and drag your chosen elements into the scene. Remember, less is often more. Keep your animation simple and your messages clear. You can use variations of options. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to export. Click on the export button to export your video. You can also choose your video's resolutions and Powtoon will render your video. After it's done, you can download it or share it directly to social media platforms. And there you have it, your very own animated video created in Powtoon. Experiment with different styles, have fun with it, and who knows, you might find that Powtoon is exactly what you needed for your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts on any videos you create in the comments below. We love seeing your creations. Until next time, keep animating and stay creative.